about time we get some better weather here in Richmond. Oh, hey, Blue. Excuse me, who said you could come out of your room? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Blue?
Give this go back.
What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another video. First off, I hope everybody's having a great day, because you know what? I am. I'm in Washington, D.C. You're watching this now. I'm in my driveway, but yes, me and Ben are in Washington, D.C. for the auto show. Kind of exciting. But anyways, guys, jumping right on into this video, you guys see from the title and thumbnail of this video that we are installing, or you know, maybe just applying such a little mod, but you know, a mod that could potentially save your ass. I'm not going to talk too much about it until we get into it. So with that being said, we have to teleport, and I'll see you guys in 3, 2, 1, whoop. And just like that, everyone, we are now inside my house. Pretty amazing. If you want to learn how to do that, let me know. It'll only cost you a small fee of $100, so let me know. Anyways, guys, jumping on into this video, the first part is going to revolve us sitting in this chair talking about a product that I received in the mail. Without further ado, everyone, we're going to go ahead and jump into that segment right now. Alright, everyone, and just like that, we are now sitting at the table, and I must say I have a super exciting review for you guys. So today I received this VAVA dash camera, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what exactly comes inside. But first things first, I must say the packaging, as you can see, is just like really nice, and yeah, it seems like something an iPhone would come in, to be honest with you. But you open it up and you can see you have 3 little parts here. Looks like our cords, maybe the camera right there, and I don't know what this is, but we're gonna go ahead and open up this big one first and see what's inside. Alright, so this looks like, you know, we got a little mount here and our big long USB cable that we can mount with inside the car, and our little cigarette lighter adapter for that cord. So we can set this aside. Let's open this up right quick so you get a better view. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and open up this little box right here, and I'm not exactly sure what this, oh, what is that? Okay, so we got some sort of clicker, and this might be a remote actually. So for those of you that don't know, dash cameras, if something happens, I'm assuming you would click this button and it would record and automatically save the last 30 seconds to a minute, I'm assuming. And it looks like in this bag we just got a little bit of hardware to run our wire and some adhesive, 3M, so I'll set that aside as well. And then we're gonna go ahead and move on to the camera, as you guys can see, and let's see what this looks like. I'm quite curious because, you know, I've never really messed with dash cameras, but first things first, it's quite small. You can obviously see that your little oh, and it's magnetic. Wow, okay. I also know the one thing that deciphers the difference between dash cam cameras is this one actually does a 360. So, you know, if DVP wants to hit a quick little vlog, boom, 360, or he wants to film the road, boom, 360. Or that'd be a 180, but you guys get the idea. But as for packaging goes, that's pretty much it. Got a little thank you card down in there. So, VAVA dash camera, thank you so much. And yeah, that's pretty much what's inside the box. So now that we got this thing all unboxed, and as you can see, I have a little mess here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and prep this. Obviously, you guys saw that the car out there is already out of the carport, ready to be installed. And you know, this cable does look long enough, and unfortunately, the cigarette lighter underneath my my radio bezel does not work. So I'm gonna go run this into the center console, which should be a problem. Like I said, they do give you a hefty amount of cord, and yeah. But yes, anyways, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go outside, and I'm gonna, you know, rig this up and see what happens. Alright, so we have migrated back outside, and this is where the magic is gonna happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the car, and it's locked. Hop inside Blue. Alright, so first thing I want to figure out is where exactly I am gonna mount this, and I'm assuming I would go ahead and mount it like right up here, right behind the mirror. That would actually be a good spot because it's non-noticeable, or not that noticeable, I should say. Alright, everyone, so it took me about 10 minutes just to rig this up, you know, really quick, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did it. And you know, I was just winging it at first, but now that I think about it, it actually works really well, so take a look. So I have the webcam here mounted right directly underneath the mirror, which is perfect, and then I have the cord, as you can see, running here, and I am gonna 3M this and possibly hook this up so it doesn't move, but cord running right here, then it's gonna run underneath this weathering strip, and this box right here is actually indeed the GPS, so this tracks your speed and everything else, but you know, it seems to be fine right there. There is 3M on the other side of that, so maybe I could stick it so it definitely holds better. But I still have it running all through here. Then I ran it through this little plastic piece and then down, and then it goes underneath the back seat. But then you come down here, and as you can see, this cord is to my Airlift 3P management. So what I'm gonna do when I have the time, I'm actually gonna take this out and run this cord along underneath that as well, and it plugs up right here. So, but you know, I actually think I just figured out how to wire it perfectly in this car, because that's actually really clean, you know, with a couple pieces of 3M and, you know, tacking it up there, should hold in pretty well. So really quick, everyone, I did indeed find the the app. It's called VAVA Dash. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and this is gonna be just like a GoPro. Connect to this wirelessly, and you're gonna be able to see what that thing is seeing on your phone. So it gives you a little display, and you can set it up properly. But I'm gonna go ahead and open up this app and get this thing set up, and I'll keep you guys updated. So it looks like we are connected, and holy crap, there we go. We got a view. That's exactly what we were looking for. So it does say no card. Please insert a micro SD card, and I have one right here. But here we go. Now, for the main question of this video, why should all Mustang owners have a dash camera? Well, you know, some of them can't drive like this. You got to say your Now that's why Mustang owners should have a dash camera. Better angles for more views. Anyways guys, all kidding aside, thank you so much VAVA for the dash cam. Honestly, I never thought about buying one, but until you guys, you know, reached out to me and did this whole little idea, I'm actually super grateful for it because like I said, you just never know when accidents happen and VAVA's there to save my ass. But anyways guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to drop a like. Make sure you drop a comment with any questions or concerns. If you wanna say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DBP vlog shout out was going out to 04 powered Roush Mustang. Make sure you go check out his Roush. It's actually pretty cool looking. And for those of you that want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, be sure to follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DBP Squad in all your posts. Because obviously every time I go to film a video, I go to the hashtag, you find somebody to shout out, and boom, there you go, shout out. Anyways guys, we will see you Monday. As you can see, Ben and I in our hotel room, so you gotta find out here shortly. But Ben, you wanna say hello? Hello? All right, hit the outro, hit the outro. But until next time, we'll see you later.
Call that ballin', doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah, what it do? Penthouse.